today, guys, we will be
playing with Play-doh.
Yeah, but you can use clay too to make what we are making. So we are making a giant colorful ball. We need and it's Little Miss Pogs with Little Miss Shopkins, and then
so you need
blue,
red.
Don't use all of this. Brown. I know I won't. And then those are the three basic colors we're using.
There's no more in the brown.
I know. These are the three basic colors we're using, but you guys can use any. You can use 3 or more. Okay.
Look at this gold
though. Really? Not right now. So then, first, what you need to do? Wait, real quick. Okay, so now what we will be doing. Hold it still. I'm collabing with Little Miss Pogs today.
We're mostly Little Miss Pogs.
I'm in Little Miss Shopkins. I keep on getting our names mixed up.
She gets our names mixed up. I don't get our names mixed up. Sometimes I do. Sometimes. But she gets it a lot of times.
Okay,
Little Miss Pogs.
Okay, now
Pogs.
You're gonna have to.
She like Pogs.
Cut it with
the
make a circle.
can.
Make a circle, or you can cut it with a
Play-doh
back
can.
knife, anything. I seriously don't tell you, children, if you are like under 13 or something like that, you should probably never use knives when you're cutting Play-Doh. And here's your perfect circle. You have to cut off the excess. And then here we go is our first
Play-Doh
circle. See? Okay, so now we will put that on the side. Now we use the red. This is like reddish pink. This is like light.
Show you my face.
Okay. Get back. Are you getting
Face.
this? Are you getting this?
Yes.
Oh,
yeah, this is a part from like the marshmallow the fake marshmallow gun thing. You know the real rollers for Play-Doh.
I just
saying.
I just cut off this right now. You've been getting this right.
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna get very mad at her if she does not get all of this. Well, if she gets most of it, I'll be very happy.
But if I don't get any of it, you'll be very sad.
I'll be very disappointed. Bye, Thunder. I'll be very... Yeah. I'll be very disappointed.
Beep,
Bella.
beep.
Bella, Montebella. Bella. That's what we call her, but that isn't her name. We just call her that.
Do not tell them my real name.
Of course I won't. I only call her that because I think that means Montebella, or I think that means beautiful in Italian, right? So
Maybe,
what you're gonna do is
it means beautiful in something.
You're gonna stack
and
up
Linda
the
means
colors.
and Linda means beautiful in something too.
Gotta stack up the colors like
I
this.
almost showed your face because I was trying to.
Then let me show you a little bit of this. Take a little
It
bit of each color,
looks like a blue.
and
it
then
looks
you
like
mix
a
it all
hamburger.
together like this.
It looks like a really
I'm
crazy.
using some small samples and mixing it up together, and then it
So
will
you don't
come
waste
out
up
like
all this
this.
Play-Doh.
And then now what we will
Because I
do
made this color.
is
I
mix
mixed
it,
with yellow
mix the
and
big
brown
one. Mix up the big one like this. You
into
just
a
gotta,
ball.
like, mix it. Make sure you get all the
ball.
colors.
It's a multi-color ball.
You just gotta get all the colors together like
Together.
this.
Forever. Okay.
Okay, then
Fall,
like,
everything, fall, everything, fall, everything. Natajuma, fall, everything, fall, everything.
we are also
Fall,
gonna do a
everything.
giveaway.
What do you mean by giveaway?
We're doing a giveaway.
Oh, yeah.
Don't you remember?
So
We are
you have
doing
to
some
come
back to
to-
school supplies giveaway.
Sunny. Sing on the
We will show you later
Magates.
what we will give away.
Magates.
And
It's
then,
like I'm a child.
and then
I need a Monday.
it will be for
No, not Monday.
actually not back to school. I meant Christmas stuff. Like
Because we're right back to school.
yeah,
And it's right fall break.
yeah.
She.
And then I'm just gonna do some done stuff. Cut out that.
Oh, that's cute.
Ta-da!
It's like, this looks so amazing. Look at that. It's like so cool. The top looks amazing, guys. Oh, keep these little pat lips. Let them dry.
Yeah, we should bake them in the oven instead. That's
It's okay. Just let them dry.
Oops.
They could be like little cookies.
Okay, today.
They could be cookies from my Lola's Pet Shop. Look, they're like little cookies.
Thanks for watching.
Little cookies.
Wait.
They're so cute. I love it.
Ta-da.
This one's my favorite one. Or this one, these two.
So thank you for watching. Our giveaway will end on December 7th. Please, if you subscribe and like this video, you are already entered. And we will, and the person who gets it up to 20K,
20K what?
20K the likes, 20K likes. We will
That'll be
them
hard
the
because we
prize.
just started our
We will
YouTube
give them
videos.
their prize.
No,
okay?
because this will be hard because they don't even know the prize.
I told you.
I know, but
it's
still.
Christmas presents. I'll show you in a different video what it will be. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and remember the giveaway. Thank you. Bye.